So the world records are amazing accomplishments made by ordinary people and animals. We use this resource to look at different world records and convert the measurement using proportions and unit rates. Unit rates is when the denominator is 1. When we checked your pulse the other day and we did 1 minute and then you broke them down, you had some worksheets that you broke it down for sit-ups and everything, and you did how many in 1 minute. That is all unit rate. Unit rate is when you set up two equivalent ratios. A-L-E-N-T. So we're going to practice how to convert measurements using unit rates and proportions. The record for the oldest cat ever was named Cream Puff. Cream Puff was 38 years old. Using proportions and unit rates, how can we find out how many months Cream Puff was? What do you already know about months and years? We know that there are 12 months in 1 year. So that's why we put 12 months, 1 year. Using the unit rate of years and months, we can set up an equivalent proportion. Here, how does 1 go to 38? Times 38. 12 times 38. 456. Check that again. 12 times 38 is 400. 12 times 38 is going to give me 456. The record for the largest scoop of ice cream was made in Wisconsin. The scoop of ice cream was 3,010 pounds. How many ounces of ice cream is that? Here's the information we know. This is what we pulled from our formula chart. 16 ounces is 1 pound. Here we have 3,110 pounds. How does 1 go to 3,010? So we're going to multiply the top by the same thing. So everybody multiply 310 times 16. I get 48160. So looking at the next one. So, the world record for the tallest ice cream cone is 120 inches. How many feet tall is the ice cream cone? So I know inches and feet. 1 foot is 12 inches. And they tell me this is 120 inches. So I'm going to put 120 with my inches. How does 12 go to 120? Times 10. I multiply 10 at the top. I have to multiply. 1 times 10 is 10. So this is 10 feet. Okay, go ahead and see if you can do the next one by yourself. Okay, pause the video and give students time. And then restart the video after about a couple minutes. So now, the world record for the largest iced coffee is 3,759 gallons. How many quarts? So we're talking about gallons and quarts. It does not matter which one you put on top or bottom. Just make sure you keep them all the same. I know 1 gallon is 4 quarts. So 3,759, I'm going to multiply by 3,759. When you multiply by those together, you should get 15016, 15,016. So the next one. The world record for the most juice from grapes in 1 minute is 13 liters. How many milliliters is that? And then they tell us 1,000 milliliters equals 1 liter. So we're talking about liters and milliliters. I know 1 liter is 1,000 meters because it tells us this right there. And they have 13 liters. So I multiply by 13. 1,000 times 13 is 13,000. Okay, do the last one on your own. Go ahead and pause the video. So I know we're talking about minutes and seconds. 1 minute is 60 seconds. This is a unit rate because the denominator is 1. And they have me at 24 minutes. So this will be 60 times 24. When you multiply 60 times 24, 1,440. So your assignment is going to complete these. You have 12 questions. The answers will go here. You will record your answers here. The next 2 things you will do is this ratio word problems. Make sure you are setting up proportions. And then you will do a simple solving proportions. Fill in the missing. Do not use cross multiplication. You solve the proportion. Times 3. So what times 3? Real simple. Those are the 3 things that you must complete today.